Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, January 27, 2022 on our channel. Embraco at HVAC&R Japan. McLaughlan Transport is first to fit Ecogen power generators ahead of diesel price hike. Regulations on air-to-air conditioners, heat pumps and comfort fans. Groundbreaking energy storage solution uses BITZER screw compressors as battery charger. Carrier further strengthens electric transport refrigeration capabilities through strategic alliance with ConMet. ASHRAE's first career fair. So, first news today. Embraco at HVAC&R Japan. Embraco, a global provider of refrigeration technology for the complete residential and commercial cold chain, and part of the Nidec Global Appliance portfolio of brands, is going to participate for the first time at the HVAC&R Japan trade show, from February 1 to 4, 2022, in Tokyo. In its booth, the brand will highlight refrigeration compressors to food service and food retail applications especially tailored for the Japanese market needs. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. McLaughlan Transport is first to fit Ecogen power generators ahead of diesel price hike. McLaughlan Transport Hultstein's Ecogen systems to one of three new DAF 105XF tractors which, says the company is expected to make significant cuts in fuel consumption while extending the working life of their existing diesel fridges and greatly reducing harmful emissions. Ecogen to power diesel fridges for at least 10 years, and over that time, maintenance, fuel and vehicle downtime will all be greatly decreased. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Regulations on air-to-air conditioners, heat pumps and comfort fans. 2 feedback rounds have been opened by the European Commission regarding air-to-air conditioners, heat pumps and comfort fans, to update the eco-design requirements and on the energy labeling of this equipment. The Commission is planning to release new implementing, eco-design, and delegated, labeling, regulations by Q1 2023 and are asking experts for feedback and evidence. This feedback can be given until February 18, 2022 in an open text format with 4,000 characters maximum, with the possibility of adding an attachment. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Groundbreaking energy storage solution uses BITZER screw compressors as battery charger. A pioneering new energy storage technology is using BITZER open-drive screw compressors to generate high-efficiency cooling as an alternative, low-carbon power source. The patented Energy Vault, being developed by OHX Limited, is designed to support decarbonization of industrial processes and commercial and residential buildings using stored coolant as a source of energy. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Carrier further strengthens electric transport refrigeration capabilities through strategic alliance with ConMet. Carrier is further expanding its electrification capabilities through a new alliance with ConMet, adding wheel-based power generation that captures energy that otherwise would be wasted during braking events. The alliance also advances Carrier's broader zero-emission transport refrigeration solutions, with the availability of electric options for trailer, truck, and light commercial vehicle customers before the end of 2022, helping address upcoming emissions regulations. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. ASHRAE's first career fair. The Student Activities Committee is excited to announce the first ever International Virtual Career Fair from February 7 to 14, 2022. This unique event will give employers exposure to students across national and international borders with a focus on the HVAC&R industry. This event will help you promote your position whether you are looking for a summer student, internship, co-op or full-time hire. The event will be hosted over the course of a week. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.